Hey students, this is for any students that missed out on our composition lesson, our first one of the week of August 24th to the 28th. So if you missed our first one, August 24th to 28th, I'm recording it for you, or if you just wanted to see it again because you forgot how to do some of the stuff, you can be here for that too. Just a reminder that we are working through book 1 of Essential Elements for all of you guys. You 6th through 8th graders, and practice logs will be starting soon, so make sure you're working through this book. If you finish this, you're roughly ready for high school. So the goal is to get all the way through this. We have the YouTube channel if you need lessons for each and every song, and then my office hours, which are Monday through Friday, 12:30 to 2. And you check that Google Classroom, all the links and all the links to everything are on there. So, hey, let's begin our composition lesson. And first thing you need to do is go to this website. Let me go ahead and share it. Right here. It's called Noteflight.com. You can see it's spelled out right there. Noteflight. Then you put .com. Noteflight.com right up there. So Noteflight.com, we're going to go ahead and go to sign up for free. We're going to make an account. Once this account's made, we can use it every week for our composition lesson. So sign up for free. We're going to go sign up with Google. Oops. And we have to click this little box up here. See how it won't let me do it? And it says you must click this box. So we're going to click the box, check mark it, sign up with Google. And which Google account you're going to take is the one that you use for school, for everything. I'm going to use one of my my own accounts right here. And what it should do is take you to making a profile. So you're going to create a username, and a lot are taken on here. A lot of people use this. So even using your first and last name, it may already be taken. So example, I'll put Kyle Dooley, and let's see if it's taken or not. I'll go down here, press get started. Username's already taken. So what if I try Kyle? I'll use my middle name, James Dooley. And let's try that. Okay, it worked. So you want to put in probably your first, middle, and last name, and you just go down to get started. You don't need to fill out any else of that information down there. All right, just some welcome stuff. Say let's go. And the first thing we want to do is actually highlight it over here. We want to create a score. So we're going to go ahead and press create score right up here. And we are going to start from a blank score. It's already clicked right there. So we're going to just press OK. And it's going to boot up a piano score. And this is what piano scores look like. So any of you students that took piano lessons, this will look familiar. For piano players, they have generally the right hand on top and the left hand on bottom. So when they're playing, they're reading two parts at once, the right hand and the left hand. So we're only going to use the right hand for today. We're just going to write up here. And you'll notice I clicked on it, and it's ready for me to click in notes. All I need to do is left click. So what we're going to do is I'd like you to just copy what I write down. We're going to write a B, then an A, then a G, and an A. And all I did was just click where I want it. If you somehow messed up, say you did this, oh man, to make an A, you can press backspace when the note is highlighted and it goes away. Oh, there we go. E, A, G, A. For you students that play like trombone, tuba, or baritone, it's going to look like this. It's going to be a D, C, B, C, which would be on bass clef, but right now we're using a treble clef. So B, A, G, A. And believe it or not, you can hear it play it back. If I just press play right up here in the top left, it plays it back for you. Hey, all right. Let's keep going. We're going to add 3 more B's. And this last one, we don't want it to be a quarter note. We want to make it a half note. So here's what we're going to do. Right up here, we're next to duration. We can pick all types of different notes, from half notes, whole notes, quarter notes, which we're using right now, eighth notes, 16th notes. We're going to change it, see how it's highlighted, to a half note. And there we go. It changed it to a half note. So now it's going to hold out for 2. Click the first measure again. If I press play it back. Pretty sweet. So here's our assignment. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to show you how to send it to me so I can give you your A for doing this today. Nice and easy. We're going to click on individual notes, and we're going to use the arrow keys. Arrow keys are the directional buttons on your keyboard that go up, left, down, and right. And those arrow keys, if we press the left and right, we switch between the notes. I'm pressing right on the keyboard right now. I'm pressing left on the keyboard now, taking between the notes. So you don't even use right. If I press up and down, it makes the notes highlighted down. So right now I'm pressing up. I press down, pretty low too. I don't want you to change up any once right here, but I move the notes up and down and make up your own song. So I don't want it to sound like Mary Had a Little Lamb like it is right now. Sorry about the background noise. My son is having a very fun time playing with this toy. So what I want you to do is move the note. For example, really chaotic. Remember, I'm using the arrow keys. Left, right, up, and down. And let's see how it ended up. I have no clue how it's going to sound. That's done. That's all I want you to do for this first assignment. All we're doing is learning how to write in stuff. If you want to get really tricky, you can add multiple notes on the same line. Watch. Now there's 2 at the same time. And it's going to change it. See if you can hear it. Hear how on that first note there were 2? Put another note right here. And maybe we can put another note right here. And we're going to go crazy on this last note. Okay, that's supposed to be a half note. I don't know why it changed. And maybe one more up. And let's see what it ended up sounding like. It can be as chaotic and gross and messy as you want, or you can really make a masterpiece. You can put in as much time as you need on this one. But what I originally had, before I started adding all those notes, was just, I want you to move individual notes up and down. That's it. From what it was, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Or something a little more complex is this. Have fun with it. We're just learning how to input notes, and each new lesson we're going to add new things. So I'll show you how next time we're going to add another instrument. So now we have 2 instruments happening at the same time instead of just 1 instrument. So let me show you how to share it with me so you can get your A. Because if I never receive an email from you with your composition, I don't know if you did it or not. So this is how you get your A. You're going to go to Score Details right up here. And this is where you can customize it. You can say what genre it is, how difficult your song is. You can even change the cover art if you really wanted to. You can take like a stock photo. Let's say put puppies and see what we get. All right, there's my cover art right there. And we got puppies. And then you hit save. Resize it, but I'm just going to hit save because I'm trying to go quick. Yeah. We're going to go to share, share score, enter a title. I'm going to call it puppies because that's our cover art. Save it. Now here's the important part. You need to click on everyone. Everyone can see this and they can view, comment, or edit. You probably don't want it to edit because somebody can come in and change your song. So you just want to view because all I need to do is view it. So we need to put view and then we are done. Now anybody can view it. They can see your song and hear it played back when they hit play. I'm going to go to next and we're going to hit save. And now we're ready to share it. How do we share it with people? You can share it with anybody now. You're going to go up here because you can send the link to people, kind of like how you send YouTube videos to people. You're going to highlight hyperlink. You're going to right click and go to copy. Now we have the link copied. You're going to go to email. You're going to go to compose. Type K Dooley at Soulsbyville School. At Soulsbyville School. Because that's my email.com. So you can copy it right there. And right there, you're going to right click, press paste. And now I can go to your work that you just composed and check it out and give you your A. So I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with and compose. It's going to be very neat. That is everything I wanted to teach you guys today on writing your masterpiece. Oh, by the way, hit send. I'm not going to send this to myself, by the way. So I'll go ahead. There's no harm. Send and done. So that's writing your masterpiece. If you need help, you can sign on to my office hours. I will help you write it. If this video didn't make sense or you need extra help, office hours are Monday through Friday. That is 12:30 to 2. And that's every Monday through Friday, so you can jump in and get help from me. The links are on the assignment page. Remember, here's our Google Classroom classwork, Zoom meeting times and office hours. There's office hours. You just click that link and it takes you to the office hours. So hop in. You can get your questions answered and hope this helped, guys. Thank you.